Hey guys, this is another extension of video 2. This is part 3. I did one thing off video, but I wanted to cover it. I actually powered down the Taranis, and once I powered it down, it was in 1 through 16 mode, which I was covering. All of a sudden, started arming for no reason. We don't know why, but and it also started arming in channels 1 through 12 as well, when it was in 12 channel mode, I guess you want to call it. Which right now we are in 12 channel, right? And I wanted to show you that once again it stopped arming. However, the flight mode switch is working fine. So channels 5 and 6, yep, there's attitude, and then there's GPS, and then there's return to Earth safe mode, working great, right? But no army. All right, and then just for kicks and giggles, let's see what comes out of here. And again, this is not working again. It's working again. Oh, it just stopped. Look at that. Okay, so service lost, telemetry recovered. That stopped it. Okay. That makes me think now. Okay. So that, working. Okay, let's try the next channel up. That's working. Alright, so just out of assumption, I'm going to assume that these channels are now working again. Yeah, they're working again. Okay, so let's see what's being forwarded over. Alright, so I'm plugging back into the forwarded port. It should be port 9, aileron. And it's working. And let's go back to, and again, nothing for 10, 11, and 12. They're just dead. I don't know what the deal is with that. That's been pretty much consistent the whole time. So that's a done deal. Now this is in 12 channel mode, so let's go ahead and we'll go up to 16. Enter that. Let's see what we get. Now in 16, we still have 16 channels. Let's see. No arm. We're getting no arm. Okay, so channel 9 is being forwarded properly. Channel 9 obviously here is probably going to work. Yep, works there. 10, working properly again. Now, yep, so these are working again. So now, all of a sudden out of nowhere, the channels are working in D16 mode, but no arm. I just want D16, all my channels, the 16 channels that I pay for, and the thing no arm. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So let's go to, let's power it off, see what happens. Let's power the thing down. Maybe we'll get something interesting to happen here.
Welcome to Taranis.
Okay. Let's try to run it. Nope. Nope. Nothing there. But we still have channels. Yep, we still have channels. And we can still change flight modes, yeah? Nope, we have no control over flight modes at this point. There's failsafe, not working. Let me see here. Failsafe is not working. and flight mode is not working. But the other channels are. The forwarded channels, or the channels 9 through 16 are now working here. But the 1 through 8 channels that are going through the SBus are not working. So I that's that. So let's go back, menu, let's page over, up. Let's put it back in 12 channel again. 12 channel mode, and now let's see what we have. Alright, so we have control of flight modes again. Channel 5 and failsafe, channel 6 is not working. They're both working now, but they're supposed to. Okay, channel 10 is still working as expected. Let's see if we can arm. No arm. No arm. Now, next mode. You know, maybe we should power cycle it and see what happens. Let's power cycle it. Let's turn it off. Let's power the thing down. Okay, so we're powered down right now. Let's power it back up.
Welcome to Taranis.
See if we get a different experience here.
Switch warning.
Oh, switcher U. Switcher. Okay, there we go. Alright, so once again, flight mode, channel 5 is working. Failsafe, channel 6 is working. Servo is working on channel 10. No arm. Now, let's go to menu, page over. We're going to go to 1 through 8. 1 through 8, okay. And we're not even going to power cycle, we're just going to see what happens. We're going to arm it. Arms right up. Arms right up again. And then as far as, let's see, yeah, everything's working here. Okay, now let's see. Now because there's only 8 channels, channel 10 does not work. So I can't have those extra channels that I want. They're not working. Not in this mode, they're not. I may be able to get channel 8 to work, I think. I can get that one to work. I think because, is it? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. So, in conclusion, I don't know, maybe, this is something I haven't had answered. This is a good question. If I bind it without telemetry, right, where 9 and 16 will show up here, but without telemetry, what will happen? So I'm going to go try that. Let's try that right quick and see what we get. Maybe that's the answer. I don't know. We have to bind without telemetry. So we're going to go into what they call mode 3 D16. In order to do that, I need to jump between channels 1 and 2 only. So let's do that. Let's jump between channels 1 and 2. It's 1 and 2. So we're jumped between 1 and 2 now. And what we're going to do, let's power this guy down. Let's put our power supply up there. And now we're going to go over to here and let's bind it up. Alright, so now we're binded here. Let's exit that. Power this guy down. Let's go ahead and power cycle everything just to make sure. Alright. Powering up. Oop. Pull these up. Oop. Power down again. Just make sure it's right. Okay. So, okay, we just armed, and what are we in? We're in 8-channel mode, but with no telemetry now. So mode, is that mode 3? Yeah, mode 3 on the X8R. So let's go ahead and put up the 12 channels and see what we get. Let's see if we can arm it. Nope. No arm. 12 channel mode does not arm, or 1 through 12 won't arm. Let's go ahead and put up 16, enter. Let's see what we get. Nothing there either. Just power cycle it. See if that helps. I feel like power cycling sometimes will help you out. It will show, it gives it a chance to reboot, and maybe it needs to send some packets over or something I'm not aware of, but let's just go to menu, page over. Okay, so we're in 1 through 16. Let's see if we get an arm. Once again, no arm. No arm. 1 through 16, let's see if we get some sort of... Alright, so we are getting channel 10. That's working just fine. Which leaves me on to believe that channel 11 and 12 are probably working as well. I'm right. So they're working. But channels 1 through 8 are not. But if we go back to and put it in channel range 1 through 8 again, we get an arm. Alright, so now we know that in that mode it does work, but we don't know why it won't do anything more than that. So, once again, here I am, this is where we are. Somebody let me know what they think, and maybe we can get this thing fixed. If it can't be fixed, then I'm going back to Futaba in the discussion. Thanks, guys.